In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a pipeline in Pipedrive. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or just looking to refine your existing setup, this guide will give you the step-by-step process to make those changes with ease. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Pipedrive is an intuitive sales CRM and pipeline management software, ideal for helping you keep track of your sales process. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button found on the homepage. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Pipedrive home. Now, at the Pipedrive home, you'll see a variety of tools and features at your fingertips. Your focus today is on managing your deals, so you'll want to click on the Deals section. This is where you handle your sales pipelines, and it's vital for organizing how your deals progress from start to finish. Once inside the Deals section, you'll see options to manage different aspects of your pipeline. Here, you need to click on Manage Pipelines. This is the heart of today's task. Managing pipelines effectively allows you to adjust stages, reorder steps, or even create new sales tracks tailored to your business needs. When you're managing your pipelines, it's crucial to understand the flexibility you have. You can edit existing pipelines, rename them, or even delete ones that are no longer serving your sales strategy. Take some time to evaluate how each stage is organized and whether it reflects your current business process. As you make these changes, remember that clarity and precision are your friends. Each stage of your pipeline should represent a clear step in your sales process, allowing for efficient movement of deals from one stage to the next. Moreover, maintaining a clean and organized pipeline not only helps you, but also empowers your team to stay focused and aligned with sales goals. Lastly, don't forget to review your adjustments. Double-check that all stages are correctly named in the right order and that no crucial elements are missing from your pipeline. This quick review helps ensure that everything is set up correctly for smooth operations. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit your pipeline in Pipedrive. Adjusting and fine-tuning your sales pipelines helps keep your CRM system efficient and your sales process effective. Stick around for more videos that will teach you additional tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Pipedrive. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!